Let's build a battery holder for a new mod. Just ABS glued together. And this one I'm going to wait until the center one goes in there. And this part here is the charge plug. Cut a little piece out and glued this in there for backup. It goes in there. And this is the guts soldered together, ready to put in. This is, I soldered a little, twisted it together, so we have all the different connections there without taking too much room. And that's the output. So this goes in there. That's right in the center. The thickness of the electronics, and this is fiddly little parts. So that's going to be the battery holder for the connections to be made yet. And it's going to be nice and small. Some switch parts. The magnet will be glued in. This is a little bridge. It's going to be silver soldered now. Of course, take the magnet out, coat both parts, silver solder the edges, this and this edge only, and that'll give you enough height for some wiring here without touching it. I put a little dimple of solder on there, on the center too. That's it, soldered up. Turn it around and glue the magnet in after I solder wires on. Okay, done a little bit more work. The charger plug, everything wired in. I didn't want to use epoxy, used a little clear tape around it to hold it on. Working with tiny little ABS pieces, half a slot. Put a little dab of glue on that, which really doesn't need it. It's nice and solid to begin with. Put a little notches in there. See where they go. In here. That's going to be glued on there. And make sure it's in the right spot to have enough room there for the backup nut. And that's going to be the switch in here. Very easy to cut in sand material and very tough. Play it around a little more. The switch was too long to travel, so I made a little bridge here, and this thing I have to solder some wires. I need one more black one coming down, but that's about it. And this way there's plenty of glue area. And laid up some fiberglass and glued some wood to it, some veneer, and that's fine. That's so far. And of course it's got to be sanded all down, so I'm gonna make the bottom part out of this type of wood, which is about 4 or 5 layers of veneer glued together. Makes it nice and hard. At least 1 or 2 of them should be cast grain. Makes it incredibly strong. So, okay, there we go. Another one finished. Okay, so it's clean all the way around. So just do this, adjust the voltage, my charging plug. So a couple of magnets in the bottom. Very nice. Very beautiful.